How can we remote access to the computer and control it? In this video, we want to show you, so come to see. Hello friends, once again welcome to Byte Zoom channel. I hope the video will be useful for you. Well, in this video we want to control personal computer with mobile phone. So let's do it. After opening Google Chrome, open Chrome Web Store option. And we search for Chrome Remote Desktop in the Chrome search engine. Then open Chrome Remote Desktop and add its extension to Chrome. Click Add Chrome and add its extension. You can see the message that Chrome Remote Desktop has been added to Chrome. After it is added, we will open it. Well, let's download Setup Remote Access, and it takes some time and we have to wait. It has been downloaded and we will install it to do the next steps. Then we click on the Turn On option. And select a name for our self-computer. And we give the password, and it must be numbers. And finally, we click on the Start option. Well, all these settings we made were related to the computer, and that's it. And now we set our phone. So in Play Store, we search for Chrome Remote Desktop and then install it. Of course, I already installed it, and we just open it. Now you can click here where PC1 is. And we write the name we chose for our computer here. And in the next step, we give the same password that we gave on the computer. And then we connect it. Well friends, as you can see, now we can have remote control and remote access to our computer. And finally, I hope that watching this video is useful for you, so wait for my next video. So if it was really useful for you, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe.